We want to find compound interest on saved money. We found the compound interest on borrowed money because we use compound interest to calculate both saved or borrowed money. Now, how do we solve this? Find the amount that 5,000 becomes if saved for 3 years at 6% per annum compound interest. Now, it means you save this money in bank, and in three years time, how much will you get if the rate at which they are putting your interest is 6%? Now, in 3 years, how much will you get? Let's calculate that. As we all know that simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time all over 100. Now here, our principal, the actual money, is 5,000 naira. This one, remember, there is saved. That is the money you saved in bank. Then at the rate of 6%, you save it for 3 years. So in the next 3 years, how much money will you collect from the bank? Now, solution. When we are calculating compound interest, we don't calculate it straight years. Like these 3 years, we don't calculate it like that. We calculate how much interest is climbing the money every year. We calculate it yearly. So for the first year, compound interest, first year, will be the principal, which is 5,000, times rate, which is 6%, times time. We are looking for the first year, 1 all over 100. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. 50 times 6 times 1, that is 300. First year, 300 climb that initial money. This 5,300 has climbed it. We will add this 300 to the principal, which is 5,000 plus 300. Our answer is 5,300 naira. For the first year, this is the interest. 300 has climbed that 5,000, making it to be 5,300 naira. Now, we want to calculate the compound interest the second year. Compound interest the second year. Remember, our principal now is not 5,000 again. For the second year, you are calculating 5,300 times rate, which is 6% times 1. This is the second year now, all over 100. 0 cancel 0. We use our calculator. $53 times 6 times 1. So we have 318. The second year, the interest that climbed the money is 318 naira. We are going to plus it to the initial money we get the first year, which is 5,300. 5,300 plus 318. 6. So the compound interest, the second year, is 5,000. Compound interest second year is 5,618. Now we want to find compound interest for the third year. For the third year, sorry, is second. For the third year now, it will be 5,618. 5,618 times 6% times 1. This 1 year again is for the third year. All over 100. We use our calculator to calculate this. We are saying 5,618 times 6 times 1. Our answer is 33,708 all over 100 divided by 100. We have 337.08. Then we add this to this initial money for the third year. Initial money for the second year before. That is, now the answer is 337 naira 8 kobo. Now we are going to add this to the money we have the second year. That is 5,618 plus 337 naira 8 kobo. Let's use our calculator to do that. 5,618 naira plus 337,000. 337 naira 8 kobo. We have 5,955 naira 8 kobo. This is the actual money that we will have at the end of 3 years. Some interest has climbed this money at this is the actual money we will have at the end of 3 years. Now let's check how much interest climbed this money at the end of 3 years. Then we are saying 5,955 naira is 8 kobo minus 5,000 naira, the initial money you saved in bank, to know how much interest. So we have 955 naira 8 kobo is the interest that climbed the money at the end of 3 years. Thank you for watching.